Hello everyone, today we're going to make Bihari roll. You can make this with mutton or chicken. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. We will begin by making the Bihari Boti. I have taken about 750 gram of meat that I have cut into thin slices. You can also use chicken and follow the exact same recipe. Add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1/4 cup of crushed fried onions, 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, 2 tablespoons of raw papaya paste. If you're using chicken, add only ½ tablespoon of papaya paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of orange food color, ½ teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg or jaifal, 1/8 teaspoon of mace or javitri, 1 teaspoon of salt or as desired, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, ½ tablespoon of coarsely ground coriander seeds, ½ tablespoon of chilli flakes, 1½ teaspoon of cumin powder, and mix everything together. Keep the marinade aside for 1 to 2 hours. I usually marinate this the night before. If you're in a hurry and don't have the time to wait, I would recommend you pressure cook the meat about 50% and then you marinate, but don't add papaya. Adding charcoal to give a smoky flavor. Adding the marination in a pan but not adding any oil as I had already added enough oil in the marination. The meat is completely cooked now. For the Poori Paratha, I have taken 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of semolina or sooji, 2 teaspoons of salt, ½ tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, 1 tablespoon of oil. Add water as needed. I'm coating the dough with about a tablespoon of oil. The dough should be very soft. Letting it rest for 15 minutes. Apply a little bit of oil on your kitchen counter. Take the dough and roll it into a thin circle. Do not add any flour. With the fork, I'm making tiny holes as I don't want the paratha to raise. I want it to be flat. Make sure the oil is hot enough to cook the paratha. Cook each side for a few seconds and remove. You can make the garlic mayo dip in just 2 minutes. I'll post the recipe in the description box below. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.